A buyer persona is a snapshot of your ideal customer. You need to know as much as you can about the behaviours and attitudes of your ideal customer in relation to the objectives you set for your content strategy. This can then help you to focus on creating the most engaging content for your customer. The benefits of using buyer personas to inform your content creation include improved targeting. Personas help you to adjust and focus your content so that it's strategically positioned to target consumers who are likely to be interested in it. Personas provide valuable insights that you can use to convey your message to the right audience at the right time. They also enable you to perform market research, targeted advertising, usability testing, and keyword research more efficiently. Format. Personas give you the information and perspective you need in order to make objective decisions about how to craft your brand messages through the most consumed and widely accepted formats, like videos, social media posts, and articles. This allows you to create compelling content that meets the needs of each persona. Discovery. Personas help you discover insights into your audience's channel behaviour. Where are they having conversations? What topics are they interested in? If you distribute tailored content to where your audience is already active, you can then leverage their online behaviours to the maximum effect for your business and your content marketing.